What's up, guys? Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to give you a little bit of an overview of Profit Trailer. This is a cryptocurrency trading bot that I have been using for quite some time now, and I've actually seen some really good gains. So I kind of wanted to just show you guys how I'm doing this and give you a brief overview on how it works. Um, so first off, what is Profit Trailer? Profit Trailer is an automatic trading bot. It's one of the smartest trading bots that I've ever come across. And there's different strategies that it uses, anywhere from Bollinger Bands to EMA, SMA, and DCA strategies. What I like about this software is that they have a really strong community and they have really good technical support. So when I first got started, it took me a while to get this set up and going. It took me a few hours to get all the settings done, but I was able to contact the support team and they were able to really help me out. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So this video I'm going to show you some of the trades that the bot has done today, and also the potential of how much you can make using a cryptocurrency trading bot. So if you're interested in getting into cryptocurrency trading and don't know how, you might want to consider this as an option to get started. So if you don't know what coins to trade or how to exactly do it, this is a good tool that you can use to actually accumulate a lot of Bitcoin or Ethereum. So first of all, there are a few prerequisites that you're going to need. So you will need some cryptocurrency for one, and so you can get that on Coinbase or visit some Bitcoin ATM or buy it from local Bitcoin, wherever you decide to get it. And then second, you will also need an exchange. I personally like using Binance, so I recommend getting some Bitcoin first before even starting this, and then also signing up with a Binance account. I'm going to leave a description. I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can use my referral, and hopefully that I can provide you guys some value by showing you this video. So after you have all you have Profit Trailers set up, the first thing you're going to do is obviously you're going to have to buy this software. So for one exchange, you can the cost is 0.03 Bitcoin, and then the prices are here. I think it's very fair compared to all of the other bots out there like Gunbot. This by far is the best, and it has the coolest user interface. And I feel like this is probably the best bot on the market today. So let's go ahead and go over just a little bit of the interface here. So as you can see, I am trading with the Ethereum as a pair with other altcoins. So as you can see here, on my balance here, I have 4.2 ETH, and the current total value is 3.3K, so 4.8 Ether. So these numbers differ because I do have some coins that the bot has purchased and it's still waiting to sell. So when those gains are actually realized, then that number will update. So let's go ahead and go to the sales log and to see what kind of trades that this bot made. So this bot automatically purchased these coins and realized around a 2% profit per trade. And I know it may not sound like a lot, but when you think about it, it actually will add up over time. So as you can see, it did about 17 profitable trades today. So I just restarted it, and it's really literally been running maybe about 15-20 minutes, and it already did 15 or 17 profitable trades. And as you can see, this number down here, it gives me my average percentage gain. And so if we go to this compound calculator, and let's say I'm going to show you the potential that this bot can make. So let's go ahead and put, let's say 1,000. Say you put $1,000 into the exchange, and then you got a daily interest rate of 2.11. Let's just say 2.1. And then let's run it for 1 year, and let's say we reinvested 100% of all our profits right back into the trading bot. So let's go ahead and calculate. So this is a $1,000 initial investment, and we're at a 2.1% interest rate. And let's check out the compound interest that this can make. This is going to blow your mind. So with a $1,000 investment, you can see that the principal will grow in 1 year up to $1.9 million. That's $1.9 million within 1 year. Now, you can take these numbers with a little bit of a grain of salt, because this is assuming that you are putting 100% of your portfolio within the trade each day and realizing a 2.1% growth every single day. But sometimes when you get to a certain level, you won't be able to trade, let's say, 3 or 4 or 5 Bitcoin all in one day, because you're also subject to the market and its availability on Binance. But even if you were to get half of this or 1/4 of this would be an insane game, right? So this bot does not lose. Actually, I'll take that back. It does have some loss, but I haven't had a loss yet. So as you can see, that all of my trades are coming in at almost 1.7, 1.89, 1.92, and sometimes you'll just have a rocking day. And even this bot actually works best on a sideways market. So if the price of BTC is going up, it may not work so well because alts might be going down. But not to worry. We do have particular settings that you can set with this bot that will adjust according to the current market, whether it's a bullish market, a bearish market, or just a very volatile market. So there's a lot of different settings that you can set in here and make this bot very, very profitable. So I'm still tinkering with the settings. I'm going to keep updating you guys every day to let you guys know how it's going. If you're interested in getting set up, go ahead and click the links below. I would like for you to use my referral link so I can get a little bit of a credit for showing you this trading strategy. So that's about it. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks.